And I will say it's made really well. It's very strong, but is also lightweight, which is what you need. It has a really easy adjustable arm with 2 ball heads on it, so you don't need to fiddle with a bunch of different levers. If you've used these before, you'll know the frustration of trying to get the shot just right when you have a bunch of different levers and then this falls off. So an adjustable arm like this will make it so much easier. It has a built-in GoPro mount, but also comes with a little accessory that goes to a screw thread so you can put any camera on there or your phone as well. And actually, now that I think of it, this could be really good for those makeup tutorial content creators out there. You just pop this on your mirror and you could see yourself and you could do your tutorial just right there. Anyway, I've actually never really considered a mount like this because I have had some in the past and they were never really reliable. I'd put them on like a window or even like a car and it would just... But I've been using this one for a while now and I find that it is very handy and just a very underrated product for the GoPro. Because when you're out and about and you just want to get some really quick creative shots, you can pop this on any window or anything with a shiny surface. But use your best judgment and don't try anything stupid with it. But this thing is the strongest I've used. So this gives you the ability to get really creative with your shots in an easy way. And then when you're done, you just, pop it off and you move to the next shot. If you've never considered something like this for your GoPro or your phone or action camera, I really think you should, and you should really consider this one right here because this is a lot more reliable and built a little bit better than what I've seen before.